Hi creators, welcome back to another video. Today we have a special guest, my sister. Hi. And today what are we going to be drawing? A cat. Yeah, a cat is her favorite animal. So, first we're going to be drawing like a U shape, kind of, the bottom. Yeah, just
like a cup.
Kind of, I guess, sure. Whatever you think it is. And we're gonna be drawing two little, like, triangle. So, earlier you said they looked like ice cream cones. Yeah, nice. Draw one on the other side. Okay, then we're gonna be drawing a little hump. Yeah. So that's the cat's head. Then we're gonna be drawing our cat sitting down. So we're gonna draw two parallel lines, and parallel means like right together, right straight up. Yeah. And then gonna be drawing a little half U, I guess I would say. Yeah, we're gonna draw one on the other side. So then we're gonna draw one of the feet sticking out. And another foot. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Now your drawing doesn't have to look exactly like ours. Just make it close. Then we're gonna draw the front feet. They're kind of gonna look like hooks, I guess. I don't know. And draw. Now we're going a little bit faster because we're getting the hang of this. Nice. All right. Then what are we missing?
The tail.
And then go halfway-ish up and start drawing a little S shape. There. Now we're gonna draw the face. First we're gonna start with the eyes. Draw an oval and another oval. And make them next to each other with a little bit of space apart. Then we're gonna use little polka dots on the side. Then do it on the other side. And draw little lines where the polka dots are. And that's the whiskers. Then, I don't know why we didn't do this before, but we're gonna draw the eyeballs inside of the eye. Oh, and what'd you just do?
I put it the inside of the ears.
Yeah, so we're gonna also put the inside of the ears. There. So we did one eye, and it's gonna be like a half circle. And then I'm doing another little circle inside, kinda, like that. Then I'm gonna do some eyelashes. I'm doing 3 on each side. Yeah, that looks pretty. Then we're gonna draw a little triangle.
It looks like a chicken.
What?
Like the beak of it.
Then we're drawing the nose, like an upside down triangle, except smaller. Yeah, that's good. Good job. And then we're gonna draw a line inside for the tongue. Then I'm gonna add a few details on the tail and the chest.
Mine's gonna be like eating mice because I have the apron on.
Seriously? All right.
I
And
don't like mice.
now what are we missing?
The coloring.
Yeah. So I chose gray, green, and pink. Pink for the nose, gray for the body, and then green for the eye.
Silver for the eyes. And then I'm gonna use red for the apron and the blue for the other eye.
But oh, you didn't do different colored eyes? That's cool.
Then brown for the body.
By the way, before we get too into this, you can make your cat look like your own cat. Like we have a calico cat, and calico cats kind of look like they have some more colors. And then we have a black and white cat, and a gray and white cat. And then we also have a cat that has all sorts of brown on it. So you can make yours look like your own cat. And by the way, I'm also don't go berserk on me, but I'm also adding red for the inside of the mouth because I forgot. See you after we're done coloring, creators. By the way, we're adding backgrounds. So you guys can add your backgrounds if you would like. we finished coloring. I hope you had fun for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. See you guys in our next video.